Bridal updos are so gorgeous, and today I'm going to be showing you one of my absolute favorites. The French twist is timeless, it's classic, it's stunning, and I'm going to be doing it on Josie today. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. Don't forget to like this video so that more people can see our content, and also subscribe so you can see our new videos for new beauty inspiration every week. I'm going to start by prepping Josie's hair. I'm going to be using a texture spray. This is the Fat Boy Tousle and Go texture spray. I'm going to spray it throughout her hair to help her hair be more moldable. The next thing I'm going to do is section off her hair, and as you can see, I'm taking what's in front of the ear and leaving it, and then grabbing everything that's behind her ear, and I'll do the same thing on the other side. So I am going to clip up those sections so that they don't get in the way. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of teasing into her crown. After I put the teasing in, I'm going to smooth everything out. Make sure you can't see it at all. And just bring all of her hair over to one side, except for this little section down here. So hold on to it with one hand, and with your other hand, just start pinning. I'm gonna have you turn a little bit. Perfect. You can crisscross your pins. All right, and that's just gonna be a good foundation for our other pins to clip into later, but also get the hair start in the shape that we want. Now I'm gonna spray a little bit of hairspray on the bottom of her hair, brush it so that we can get some of those little baby hairs out of the way. Got two bobby pins in one. We'll just disconnect those and crisscross this here. So next I'm going to bring, in her case, the left side, what was being kept out of her hair, and just cross it by hand here and pin it. The reason I did it this way is so that the original amount of hair could be nice and secure and tight, and this is going to be very loose and we're going to pull it out later, so we want it to be very soft looking. So that's why we added it in at different times. Crisscross that, and now we are ready to do the twist. As you can see, I'm doing this twist in two parts. That is totally fine if you need to do it that way. You will not be able to tell at all when I'm done. Where my thumb is in that loop, I'm going to slide a bobby pin in upwards. Try and catch all that hair. Try to catch this outer corner here so it doesn't fall down. As you can see, I'm just repeating that. Make sure that's nice and secure. A lot of times we do French twists for formal events, and we're dancing, moving around a lot, all that. So the last thing in the world we would want would be a hair calamity where it fell. Last but not least, I'm taking the hair from this side, minus a few little pieces around her face just to give her some softness, and then I'm twisting it around. And then you can just hide these little pieces. Now comes the fun part. We just get to pull everything out and make it very textured and soft. Make sure, if you want, you can take a little piece from the top, kind of the underneath of the last part that was twisted, as you can see I'm doing, and just use it to hide your bobby pins. Josie has great hair. It's a beautiful color for this as well. The blonde shows all the dimension. And if you want, you can pull it out here enough to where, I'll show you. And then grab another bobby pin, believe it or not, and wrap it around so that you're hiding your bobby pins. Or you can add in some incredibly cute accessories just to help the look be bridal and a little bit more elegant. Would you believe it? That is the finished look. It takes less than 10 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this style. I know I loved sharing it with you. If you have any questions about it, please leave it down in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.